beautiful, guys. And again, good luck. That was our motivational tip this morning for back to school. We move on. Studies show nearly half of our children and teens will experience back pain before they reach my age, well, before they reach adulthood. One of the biggest culprits, the backpacks they carry every day. Today we're joined by chiropractor and founder and director of Herniated Disc Center of Jamaica, Dr. Alfie Kelly, who will join us, will guide us through how to protect our children's backs. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile. How are you?
Very much. Wrong way to carry a backpack.
One wrong way?
Wrong way, sir.
Why?
You need both straps on.
Fix it and just show me what I should do.
Exactly. Let's put both straps on.
Yep.
Okay.
And it stays like this?
Yes, sir. Now pull it snug tight, sir. Right here.
Oh, right here.
Yes, sir. Pull it. Yes, sir. There you go. And wrap it around tight. And, well, you don't have, if you can. Let's do this tight. There you go, my friend.
This is how it should be carried.
That is the perfect way.
It actually doesn't feel heavy. But before, when I had it on the one shoulder, it was.
Yes, sir.
It did feel heavy.
Yes, sir.
Is it the weight or just how they carry it?
Both.
Explain.
Both.
Explain.
So let's start off with the weight. The weight of the backpack should be 10% of the child's weight.
10% of the child's weight.
Some studies say 15. We're going to stick with 10%. So if the child is 100 pounds, 10% max of the
But how would the child know that, though?
Weigh it.
Weigh the bag.
Weigh the bag. It's very important to weigh the bag.
But, Doc, all right, so because some of these kids have some books big like the table here.
Yes, sir.
So if they need those books at school and they weigh it and is
more than
12 pounds, 15 pounds, what should they do?
All right, so now let's do alternative motives. Let's carry some on the side in our hands.
Oh, hold on.
The main thing.
Come now.
Thing.
All right, so it's just...
Put some on the back.
And
No. You have the backpack on, and now you have some in your hand. Let me tell you why.
But hold on, we'll go there yet. But I have the backpack on. What you mean by I have?
Now you're carrying some books, extra books in your hand. The main thing is to take the load off the spine.
Okay.
The main thing.
So not another bag? Just
no,
some books.
not another bag. No, sir.
Okay. Can I just
yes,
press
sir.
that here?
Yes, sir.
All right. So continue. Sorry about that.
So the main thing we're carrying around on one arm is you're putting stress on the nerves.
This is what?
The spine.
This is your spine.
This is
which is this fellow
yes, sir.
Coming all the way down the middle of your back. Okay.
Can you stand right here and I show you something, sir?
But I want the camera to catch it. No, so let me turn this way, yeah?
One effect of carrying a book bag that's heavy is your shoulders will arch.
Right.
So arch your shoulders up. Okay, now put your head down. Here's all the stress right in here.
Right.
Majority of kids have pain, shoulders, neck pain, okay, and the low back, the hip, and also the knees. That's what parents should look for in all signs of kids carrying heavy
So
backpacks.
the pain or the problem wouldn't necessarily be just the back you're suggesting?
The problem is the back, but what's the cause of it? The heavy book bag and the improper wearing of it.
It's kind of difficult to get around, though, with the whole lot of books that they have and stuff. And,
I understand. So here's another alternative.
and then you have some folks who do sport.
Yes.
So they will have a bag with the football boots. And
So we tell parents only carry what's necessary. And if you have to, like we do at the airport, we take the strollers.
okay.
That's the best alternative method. If you have to carry book bags over 10 pounds, pull a stroller.
When would a parent think they need to see you or somebody like you?
When pain occurs and they check out. Also when they're seeing strap marks on the kid.
When they're seeing strap marks,
Strap
that means
marks,
the bag is really heavy.
It's really too heavy, yes, sir.
Yeah.
When they're having pain and can't sleep at nighttime.
Yeah.
That's when the parents need to come see a chiropractor.
Yeah.
Main reason. And also for spinal health.
For spinal?
For spinal health.
For spinal health.
We get our teeth checked, we get our eyes checked, but no one ever tells us to get our spine checked.
Yeah. Maybe some of the schools, my director was making a point that maybe some of the schools should have lockers. So in other words, if you're using a math book, but you don't have it for homework, maybe you can leave it at school.
Right, yes. Yes, sir.
Which makes sense.
It makes a lot of sense. It saves us from when we get our age of complaining of back pain or neck pain.
Yeah.
Particularly, you see a lot of kids at school, what's causing the back pain is the way they sit down in the chair. Sitting too long is an issue. And some of these chairs are extremely hard. We recommend you don't.
So it hurts your posture.
It hurts your posture. Some of the seats are wood and they hurt. So what you do next, you tend to lean back.
That hurts even more.
That hurts even more.
All right, question.
Yes, sir.
And maybe that's not the reason you're here. But if it, God forbid, it does happen, the pain, then what do I do?
Come see a chiropractor.
A chiropractor.
Go see a chiropractor.
Who's a chiropractor?
I am, sir.
Yeah, but what do you do?
My main job is I take the bone off the nerve.
I did something just now when I squeezed it. Where
Squeeze it on one end. Yes, sir. It's just like you did. You squeezed it. Just like
that's the one. What happens? So what's that?
So these are vertebrae.
Yeah.
This is all what we have throughout our spine, okay?
Right.
At times, as we walk, we're compressing, correct?
Right.
Too much compression, boom, you get a herniated disc. This is the disc in the middle.
What is a herniated disc?
It's when the disc bulges out and it touches the nerve and it's in sharp pain down the arms, hands, legs, or feet. There's a big difference between a herniated disc and a bulge disc. Many of us have a bulge disc, but it's not touching a nerve. So when that disc bulges out, what do we have? All right here, muscles. So when that disc bulges out, the muscles swell up. Ow.
Yeah.
I have pain.
Yeah.
People think they got a herniated disc. No. When you have a herniated disc, you wouldn't be able to stand.
And where would that pain be? Show me again on the camera.
Let's talk about it.
Where would
the herniated disc is in the neck. You have pain and run all down your arms. All the nerves in your neck come down your shoulders and your arms to your hands. All the nerves in your low back come all the way down your legs to your feet.
So
that's
something serious.
Very serious. Most herniated discs occur, compression is in the low back. Majority of people have herniated discs. But school kids and office workers.
Because they're sitting, right.
And typing in the hips.
I think the youngsters, because I like the idea, what do you call that?
Strollers.
What do you call them? Draw.
Yeah.
Whatever,
Yes.
draw.
Yes.
What them name? The little bag them where you use go for it, man, you pull. The pull it. The youngsters want the backpack.
It's cool.
Yeah, and some of them nice little thing. And
yes, sir.
So how do you convince parents to say, no, man, give them that? That makes more sense.
When a parent start paying for medical care, they'll switch up.
That's interesting.
They'll switch up.
And you don't want it to get to that point.
No, you do not.
Yep.
Sir.
Where are you found?
Lady Musgrave Road, 9 Lady Musgrave, Revamp Rehab. Right.
Revamp
Rehab.
Rehab.
Yes, sir.
Interesting. Thanks for coming.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Good to
Blessings.
see you. And he wants to be a teacher.
Yes, sir.
And he wants to teach math.
Yes, sir. Love it.
Math?
Love math. Love
When are you going to do that?
Sir?
When are you going to do that?
When I retire from being a chiropractor in Jamaica.
Which is when?
We'll see what God has in store for me.
All right. Alfie Kelly, Dr. Alfie Kelly, chiropractor and founder and director of Herniated Disc Center of Jamaica. Interesting. All right, coming up. Delia will head to China for the diaspora check-in. Soon come. She's on her way, folks.